Hi, Jazz family. We got a package for the office. Okay, here we are. A little thing. We don't need a box. I'll pick it up later. It's a little horse. It's CLABEL. I think that's how you pronounce it. Here's the manual. And here's the little label thing. If I could take it out. There it is. And then we got our wire. And then the box could go flying for now. Don't worry, I'll pick it up later. We got, I wonder how much it's charged. Oh,
It's probably dead.
You think it's dead?
Yeah. Oh no, it's...
I have no idea how to use this. Probably should have read the manual, but okay. Okay, we'll show you how it works next time.